Don't fall now.
Huh?
Don't fall now.
Yeah.
Or go ahead.
My boots weigh 10 pounds.
They got mud on them? Just muddy, huh?
Clay.
I'll walk on the tarp.
Okay.
Show me your hand. Yeah.
Just sticks, and then when it dries out, that's what happens. Feels like it just feels like you have a big rough skin. The dog had a big bunch of clay around his nose. It dried on him.
Oh my goodness.
And he was itching it, trying to get the darn thing off, and had to roll around in the wet grass to be able to get it off.
That's a little freaky.
Poor guy.
Don't sit on my zucchini.
The spring rains finally simmered down and it was time to get our seeds in the ground. We got our transplants in and the garden is starting to look a little bit closer to done. Not only is the garden finally in, but lots of life is showing up around the farm. The elderberries are in bloom, the marionberries are getting close, and the roots in the garden are getting even closer. I'm so excited about all of the tomatoes. I can't wait to be picking them out of the garden. And neither can Rosie. The bees are out finally. And the comfrey is in bloom. While there might be one haskap left on the plant, they are mostly done for the season. But these wild fruits and flowers are hanging on. The hops are going crazy. So are the Oregon grape, and the lavender is in bloom. There aren't very many strawberries left as the dog takes his pick. The baby chicks are growing big. And they are about ready to go out on the grass and meet the rest of the flock. Those big old Oregon clouds are still looming up above. The tiny lambs are growing big. It's so fun to have babies on the farm again.
They don't have treats. Sorry.
Out in the pasture, the goats are eating away. Roscoe, our old goat, he's still with us. And Rosie, she's ready to burst with those babies she's got in there. But we gotta wait a couple more months before she's due. While the pasture is nice and calm, the greenhouse is another story. There's a lot going on in here. We've got our basil and tomatoes and peas.
Thank you.
I got marigolds,
Mm-hmm.
and I got some other flowers. What is this kind? These are Mary something.
Eat it.
And then we have that flower. Zoom out. Flowers over there. Then we have these flowers. Mom is playing some.
Can you point it at me so you can see them?
Planting
Basil.
basil. Who gave you that basil?
The store. I bought that basil. You can see there's plenty to do in this greenhouse. Everything is in bloom, from the chamomile to the calendula, the monarda, and even the peas. And don't forget that dandelion that sprouted up in there. You know, those aren't weeds. Those are useful plants. But it's time to get moving and back to work. So we'll catch you next time down on the farm. Thanks for stopping by.